Yo guys, welcome back to the Legend Bros channel. Today we're gonna be doing another toy review. Woo! It's been a long time since we've done a toy review, and today's December the 18th. So yeah, I am sitting down, not lying down. Anyway, so we'll do the first toy review. Today we're gonna be opening Shuri from Black Panther. You guys know her. Yeah, this person. That's what we're gonna be doing. So yeah, nice look at the box. Look at it. Cool, right? So cool. Her name is Shuri. Shuri. That's her name. This is what she looks like from Black Panther Marvel. So we're gonna start opening her. We have a special guest here today. Let's welcome James Chiu.
Hey everyone.
Okay, so we're gonna be opening our toy review. Our toy, I meant. But we need weapons. Weapons. Are you ready? I'm gonna bring scissors appear in my hand. 3, 2, ting. Yeah. Now, how to murder a toy. Please don't watch that. Anyway, we'll continue. We just have to cut it open. Actually, we don't need these scissors. Never mind. All we have to do is... Okay. Now we gotta pull this out. Here we go. We got a Shuri out. And we just gotta get the body out first. Oh wait, never mind. I'll do this. I got the weapons out first. The weapons. Her Black Panther blasters. They're so cool. Okay. Now we gotta get her body out. We need our assistant or our guest to help us. Teach us how to do it. Meanwhile, you can wait. Never mind, you don't have to. Oh, this is kind of cool. Oh, this is so cool. Can you take it off? No, you can't. Can you? Oh, yes, you can. Oh, wow, this is cool. So, let me put it back together. So, see here. This is what she looks like. And then you can take this skirt off of her. It's like an unbuttoned thing. And then without her skirt, this is what she looks like. So, yeah. You can move her arms. And this is what she looks like. Model turn. Now we need the weapons. We just put them in the hand. However you put it. Is it like this? Oh shoot, never mind. You can actually have to put it like that. But I have to put it the right way. Just from the bottom, and then, oh man, I broke her arm, never mind. There you go. That's what you call the Black Panther blaster. Pew, pew. Kind of weird. Okay, now we got boat in. Activate model turn. Toy turn, I meant. I'm so dumb. No, I'm not. Just kidding. I'm not dumb. Pew! Oh, this is cool. I can also put it on my finger. Well, it's my pinky finger because it won't fit on the other fingers. Pinky power! It fell off. Here's the blaster. You can't take these off. Okay. Toy turn. And then there's the inside. Because it's like this. You can open it. So yeah. There you go, guys. Another toy review of the day. Our next toy review is going to be at... I don't know. This may be... Hold on a sec. I figured it out. December the 22nd. We're going to be doing another toy review video on December the 22nd. So stay tuned if you'd like to see more toy review videos or other kinds of video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, smash it, and ring that notification bell for more videos and notifications. See you next time, folks. Now, a weird thing you have to see. Something funny. I'm dancing. Ooh. Ah! Oops. Oh, restart that. Take 2. La la, I love life. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh shoot, her pants fell off. I love Christmas. That's why I'm gonna shoot fireworks with my blaster. Oh, I broke her arm. Put the goddamn arm on. Put it on. Finally. I'm gonna put my other one on now. Oh! Take 3. I'm a bad crocodile. You can't stop me. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah, I won. Celebration. Oh, ding. That was super funny. But here's the real thing, not the bloopers. The real thing that she was supposed to do. Now let's see it. The real thing, made by Legend Rose and a few people that aren't real. Merry Christmas from Wakanda. I love this music. I'm gonna dance, but first let me take these blasters off. Get this thing off. Okay, let's dance. Baby, we're dancing. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna go eat a quick snack. Yummy. Beautiful day. Wakandan people are dancing over there. It's a monster. Get away from me. I better take my skirt off. Now I gotta get my weapons and warn the people of Wakanda. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these weapons are so cool. They fit nice. Yes, weapon time, baby. Now where are you? Oh yeah, we won! I'm gonna shoot fireworks in the world! Oh yeah, let's watch it. Well, let me shoot a bit more. Let's watch it now. Boom! 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 Ah, those fireworks were amazing! I love it. Amazing! I'm gonna dance more! Kick! Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button and ring that bell! Boom! Merry Christmas! Yeah, good job! Dun, dun, dun. Woo, that was an amazing movie made by no one except me. Of course, I'm cool. Now, see you guys next time. Of course, I might make a video. So, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and ring that bell. Bye! Legend Bros, subscribe.